Today we're going to discuss about fingerprinting the deceased. We're going to look into three various aspects, that is recent death and cadaver when it is in rigor mortis state and cadaver when it is in a decomposition state. And how do we take the fingerprints from the dead? So first of all, we need to understand that there is a significance in taking the fingerprints of a dead person by looking at the post-mortem examination, we will be able to understand the necessity and the importance of taking fingerprints from here. And so, in cases of mass disaster, in cases of homicide where we have an unidentified victim, in cases of drowning, and any other activity, illegal activity where we have a corpse which we're not able to identify, we will not be, we will require to take the fingerprints. And here in this presentation, we'll be discussing the various techniques to do so. So many a times you would see the body may be obtained in a very, you know, unclean manner, or soiled manner. So we have to clean it either with water, soap, or alcohol. And after cleaning, we should dry it. And after drying, we need to ensure that we are taking the fingerprints properly. And we should always take multiple impressions of each digit because there are certain times where we can get the fingerprints will be smudged and therefore taking the impressions of each finger multiple times will help in ensuring that we are getting the fingerprints properly. So if the corpse is found within 4 to 7 hours of death, the fingers are flexible and we can use the following technique, that is fingerprint pad, fingerprinting, and fingerprint powder with lifting tip. So fingerprint pad method, we can see that is generally that we use for taking the prints on the FBI card. So we will use that particular technique for taking the prints here. But sometimes we will have to ensure that we are able to ink the finger properly, and the finger is then the ink that is there on the finger should be then put onto the fingerprint card. So for which we sometimes we may use something like what we call as a cadaver spoon or a fingerprint spoon that is there where we will slide the fingerprint card into that so that we can move the card on the finger rather than when taking the fingerprint of a live person where we are moving the finger on the card. I'm saying with fingerprint inking method, we're inking the finger and then we are taking the print. And the powder method, we will apply the powder on the finger and then take the print. Coming to coughs that is there in the rigor mortis state. Okay, so here we see that the hands are immersed in hot water. Okay, and then afterwards, both the fingers are not straightened. The force is applied by breaking the rigor, and then after the rigor is broken, we can also use these tools to break the rigor mortis that is there. And if it is in the state of decomposition, sometimes we'll have to inject air into the finger if it is shrinking, shrunken ridges are there. And to inflate the tissue, we'll have to inject 1.1 to 1.5 ml of air and then take the prints. So these are some of the photographs that we is there to show you how the fingerprints are taken. Sometimes we'll have to preserve the prints, fingerprint skin, and we'll have to take it and preserve it in a solution of formaldehyde and 9%. In radiography, we will take as a photograph is taken by means of X-ray, and the photograph displays the bony structure of the fingers in addition to the ridges, and it's sufficiently clear to identify the deceased. So after we get the prints, we can compare it with previous arrest records, any service record that may be there, any employment records, any kind of database that may present, belonging to a private or a government organization. We can take that and compare to see whether we're getting any matched in order to establish the identity of the individual.